Every business model carries risk, and part of your success depends on how well you analyze and mitigate that risk. Your production and delivery system is one example. Let's take a quick look at the pros and cons of both on-demand production and warehoused inventory for printed materials, promotional items, and apparel. Using on-demand services means you won't face upfront bulk production or manufacturing costs, and you won't have to pay for storing inventory. Also, when refreshing your brand, correcting mistake, or implementing regulatory changes, you may need to trash all or part of your inventory. But with on-demand services, your materials exist in a digital format until they are ready to be produced, so it's easier and less expensive to make changes. With an on-demand system, expedited service or delivery fees might be incurred to meet a tight deadline for a special event or a firm go-live date. If you are shipping traditional inventory, you can typically get your products to customers quickly. But with on-demand services, it can take a week or longer. And thanks to online retailers like Amazon, customer expectations for delivery speed are quite high. When you carry your own inventory, you can verify product quality, packaging, and shipping. Some on-demand services also require minimum orders with a high per-piece cost, but with inventory, you can set your own order minimums. Changes in consumer preferences, branding, or government regulations could result in inventory that is wasted or heavily discounted. You could also end up with higher production and storage costs if you've stocked items that aren't popular or used frequently. There really isn't any one right answer for whether you should use on-demand production or warehouse inventory. During the course of your business, you may end up using both models, depending on your circumstances. Weigh your options carefully, do your research, and make the moves that make sense for your business. You may find that partnering with a marketing supply chain expert can help you evaluate options and find solutions to potential drawbacks, allowing you to make the right choice for your company's long-term objectives.